Hello everyone, Lucian's here and today we'll make buyurdi. Buyurdi or bujurdi, it's a classic Greek appetizer akameze. For this recipe we need to cut 2 slices of tomato, and some green pepper. If you prefer, you can use chili pepper, but I like to use dry chili. For cooking this recipe, I prefer to use a ceramic ramekin. I add some olive oil on the bottom, the feta cheese, tomato and pepper, some Greek dry oregano, on the top I put some mozzarella. If you prefer, you can use Gouda cheese. In the oven for 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And this is my buyurdi. Don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe.